Mga adunis. Race number 1. Engine Swords. Babay mo, dagan mo konsehal? Para uy, ang kuhan day, ang okay, this is the first racer of your first Mayor Mix Durano Bancarrera Cup 2024. And again, this Bancarrera is brought to us by the PBB Party List, Asian Alloy, MG Machinery, New Seaman, Bostik, and RD Propeller.
Ang katong representative sa Bostik, palihog ko direct para ma-promote na to. Palihog ko ang katong representative sa Bostik. Boss, isa ka job sa Bostik.
Okay, proceed to the starting area. Race number 2. Race number 2. Proceed to the starting area.
Ilita mo agi ini. Dito ta dito.
Angel 48.
Ang pag-start na.
Pitos Villamor 21. Okay. Again, race number 2. Proceed to the starting area. Angel 48. Poseidon Pitos Villamor 21. Okay, last call for race number 2. Angel 48 versus Poseidon Pitos Villamor 21. Okay, proceed na. And approaching the first mark on their way to the first circular route. And on the lead, still Team Pantera 33. Surpassing the first mark on his way to the second mark or second boy. Still on the lead, Team Pantera.
Sponsor. Kisay pangalan, sir? Jasper.
Linaw mo kun. Basta linaw, wala maglisod lang eh.
And again, our first Mayor Mix Durano Bancarrera Cup 2024 is brought to us by PPP Party List, MG Machinery, New Seaman, Asian Alloy, RD Propeller, and Bostik Epoxy. Okay? And which is represented by Sir Marcel Lanuhan. Dagang salamat, okay, for being a part or for sponsoring this first Bancarrera diri sa Ciudad sa Danao. And approaching the final mark. And congratulations, Team Pantera 33. Okay. Race number 2. Are you ready? 33. Race number 3, stand by. Angel 47, Poseidon Pitos Villamor 44. Race number 2. Engine starts. Uy, padaplin, uy. Ha? Palabad. Unsa daw? Ulit na magdungo kayo sa?
Ano?
Usaray pala. Usaray rider. So, kaway siya kadiyot, balik ta human pa to, okay?